Attorney Ben Schwartz. Today I'm going to answer a question from Jennifer in Laurel, Delaware. Jennifer wrote in, she said, if I am injured in an accident, I'm pursuing a personal injury case, and then I file bankruptcy, can I still have a personal injury case? And so if I guess my answer to that is yes and no. If you are engaged in litigation in a personal injury case, or you have had an accident and you've gone to or you're going to go to an attorney and you're going to pursue a claim against the at-fault driver, if you then are going to file bankruptcy, that may present a problem, and it's something that you need to talk about with your personal injury attorney, and it's also something you need to talk about with your bankruptcy attorney, and here's why. So when you file bankruptcy, like conceptually, the idea is that all of your assets and all of your debts become the responsibility of the bankruptcy trustee. Okay, so there's like a person, the trustee in bankruptcy, who takes all of your assets and money and everything you've got and all of your debts, all the money that you owe to creditors, all the money you owe to companies and other people, and uses those assets to pay off the debts to the best extent they can. And so when you file bankruptcy, if you have a personal injury case or claim, that personal injury case or claim, that expectation of a settlement or an expectation of an award, is an asset that becomes the property of the bankruptcy trustee. And so once you file a petition in bankruptcy, that case isn't really your case anymore. Now it's the bankruptcy trustee's case. So Jennifer, if you're thinking about doing this, I'm not saying this to discourage you. I'm not saying don't do this. This is really not legal advice at all. But my practical advice is you need to talk to your personal injury attorney and let them know you're considering doing this. You need to talk to your bankruptcy attorney before you file and let them know that one of the things that you have as an asset is a personal injury claim against the at-fault driver. So your attorneys can advise you, and they can make sure that your legal interests are best protected through the process, but it's something you've got to talk to these folks about. I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. A very insightful question. I appreciate you asking it. If you're watching this video and you have questions for me, leave a comment on the video or send me an email. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com.